Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So as you can see today, it's just me. Brenda is away, and so you'll be stuck with me in this video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Maybelline Fit Me products. So I have the matte and poreless foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. So in this video I apply and then I just kind of say if I like it or not. So it's kind of just a little mini review. So if you want to see my thoughts on that, just go ahead and keep watching. So I've already primed with my normal primers, and I've done my brows and my eyeshadow. So I got the shade 220 natural beige. I'm hoping it is my shade. I don't know. I tried to test it out, but we'll see. If not, I'll kind of make it work, hopefully. And then right off the bat, I don't like how it doesn't have a pump. I really like my foundations when they have a pump to it. So let's see. I just put some on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna dab it everywhere. And then I did get the matte and poreless one. I know that they have like a dewy foundation. I don't know if that's new or not, but since I prefer matte makeup or matte foundation, I just went with the matte and poreless. So we'll see how it applies. I think the color might work, hopefully. We're just going to dinner, so nothing too. So I'm just gonna blend this all over with my makeup sponge. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more. That's why I don't like foundations without pumps, because usually I just do like 2 pumps. But with this one, I can't really tell how much I'm using. So it's blending out really nicely. The color looks fine. And then I'm gonna bring it down onto my neck, how I always do my foundation. Just gonna grab a little bit more for my neck. The coverage is, I would say, a medium, light to medium, but which doesn't bother me. It does say that it is a lightweight foundation, which definitely does feel lightweight, so. But we'll see how it mattifies and everything. Right now it just has a little bit of a shine right here. I wasn't oily. I'm normal to oily skin type, so we'll see. Alright, so next I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. People compare this to the NARS creamy concealer, I think that's what it is. And I really like that concealer, so I'm hoping this is a little dupe. Definitely feels lightweight. I do think it feels like the NARS one. The color is a little too yellow for me. I would like it a little more lighter, but instead of yellow. But we'll make it work. It's actually blending out really nicely. It doesn't look as yellow once it's blended out. And it's working really well with the foundation, so that is a plus. I think it looks pretty nice. It's definitely a lightweight concealer. It's not anything for coverage, so. And I'm just gonna put some on my forehead, and then down the center of my nose, and then on my chin a little bit. And I'll blend that out. And this is everything I normally do with my other concealers that I use, so I'm not changing anything. Alright, so I think it's looking pretty nice. Next I'm going to bake with the loose powder. I got the shade Fairlight. And it has a little bit of a like yellow, maybe banana-y color to it. So let's see. I'm just going to take some on my makeup sponge. And I'm just going to bake under the eyes like I normally do. I'm actually really liking this powder. It's really smooth. And you get a lot in the little container. And then I'm also going to bake my forehead where I put the concealer. And then I'm also going to do my smile lines and my chin, because I tend to crease in my smile lines. So to prevent that, I'll just bake right in those lines. Alright, so far the powder seems really soft, which I really like. So I'm just going to finish up bronzing my face, putting on blush and stuff like that off camera, and then I will be back in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I finished off my bronzer, highlight, blush, and then I put a lipstick on. So my final thoughts on the foundation. I really like it so far. It went on really easily, it blended out really good, and then it didn't seem like it oxidized really, which I'm kind of used to for my other drugstore foundation that I use, which I wouldn't be upset if it oxidized a little bit, but I don't believe it did that much. With the concealer, it did remind me a lot of the NARS, which I really like. So I might try out, I think there's one shade lighter. I might try that one out because this one was a little yellow, but it still worked out. And then with the loose powder, I really like it. It really makes your under eyes really smooth even after baking. It doesn't dry it out at all. So I really like the powder. So for the end result, I would say that they work really well all together. I will probably keep you guys updated description box just to see if it lasted, if it broke up or anything like that later in the night. So if you are wondering, you can go ahead and check out the description box and I'll probably leave that in there. But yeah, I really liked everything. Don't forget to watch our other videos that we have. Hopefully next time me and Brenda will be in the same video. Maybe it'll just be her. I'm not too sure. But don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you liked this one, go ahead and leave a comment, and then make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss a video. And then until next time, we'll see you in our next video. Thanks guys.